Peplink Starlink for yachts. Reliable, fiber-like internet at sea. It starts with the Starlink Flat High Performance Kit, designed for motion, saltwater, and harsh marine conditions. With a wide field of view and consistent throughput, it delivers low-latency satellite internet even while underway. Next is the Peplink Max BR1 Pro 5G modem, a rugged marine-grade router that supports multiple WANs. This enables intelligent LTE and 5G fallback when satellite coverage is disrupted. At the heart of the system is the MDS Blender, a proprietary tool that bonds Starlink, cellular, and Wi-Fi into one ultra-reliable connection. It offers seamless failover, bandwidth aggregation, and real-time data prioritization. So video calls, trading, and streaming never miss a beat. Installed and optimized by Concord Marine Electronics, with over 35 years of marine networking experience. This hybrid solution allows you to work from yacht as if you were still at your desk, only with a better view.